The hiccups. Baby's got the hiccups. Baby's got the hiccups. Look at those legs, those strong legs. He's putting them up. Boop, bloop, bloop, bloop. You see, you're 16 days old today. Happy 16-day-old birthday. Look at those beautiful eyes. Don't pick your nose. Don't pick your nose. Mama absolutely loves you with all of her heart. And she wants to give you all the kisses she can, because someday you're not going to let her. It's not going to be cool to kiss your mom. Hi. But that's okay. Someday you're going to grow up. You're going to get big. You're going to meet a nice girl. And she better be nice or mommy will come after her. And you're going to have... Oh, that was a fart. And I'm going to show her the farts too.